Are you an automotive workshop manager struggling to get the best out of your business because of staffing challenges? Maybe you've got techs going away on holiday leave, or attending training, or you're waiting for a new hire to serve their notice. Either way, you're losing income and your customers' next available repair dates aren't getting any better. What if skilled, reliable technicians were available for temporary assignments? And that's where we come in. I'm Nat Richards.
And I'm Gavin Stocks. Our business, Techs on the Move, matches confident automotive technicians working for us with workshops needing non-permanent staff.
Gavin and I have spent the last 10 years building Australia's most trusted automotive agency for international resourcing, and now we're offering on-hire services as well to our Australian clients to solve their immediate short-term staffing solutions.
Our techs are available for a day, a week, a month, whatever your needs.
Whether they're our employees or they contract directly to our business through their own, our techs come with no payroll issues and no commitments. Just call them in as needed.
We offer competitive rates, leaving plenty of margin for your workshop with no admin hassle to deal with.
We're backed by years of automotive industry experience, and all of our techs come fully vetted and prepared for the job. If that sounds interesting, click the link right here to find out more.
With no upfront fees, no obligations, we hope to hear from you soon.